Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're going to continue our beginner's course for John, and in today's video he would like to have an expense sheet for his daily expenses. So let's just get started. We're going to go to file, click on new, or you could just go onto a blank workbook like so. Alright, I'm just going to expand the view a little bit so it becomes easier for you to follow across. Alright, when you are starting to type in Excel, it is as easy as just starting to type. Before you continue, do you notice this green square box right here? This means this is the active cell, and if you look at the name box right here, this shows you the location of the active cell as well. All right, let's just get right into it. I'm going to press type expenses, type expenses. If I click tab, for instance, it actually goes across to the cell on the right. And if I click enter, it goes to the cell below the active cell. I'm going to press again enter for one more time. And we have our items tab, and go to the next cell, and we're going to type in the cost of the item. This time I'm going to press enter. The first expense is the train ride that John had taken to come to office, and tab to go to the next cell, and that costed him around $6.3. Now I'm not going to be worried for now about the formatting, like to have the dollar sign or the decimal places like so, because we're going to cover formatting in detail in later videos. All right, so I'm just going to press enter. John also had a coffee while coming to office, and that costed him around $3.5. And he ordered a lunch, and that was $12. And he also remembered he had a juice and tab. Oh no, he did not actually have juice today. That was yesterday. So if you have to delete the information, you could just go back to your active cell, and you can press delete from the keyboard like so, and you get rid of the value. Now just be mindful, if you press delete from the keyboard, that just gets rid of the value from the cell. But if you come onto the ribbon and press delete cell from here, it's actually going to get rid of the entire row. And if you're having values across somewhere, you're going to get rid of those as well. So just be mindful that you use delete from the ribbon wisely. All right, word of caution right there. Okay, now John realizes that he also has to take the train back home. So this is not actually accurate. He needs to modify. How can he do that? It's as easy as just simply typing over. So that's going to cost him a total of $12.6, and press enter to commit to the change. And if you also have to make any kind of modification, because that was a numeric, right? If you have to make a modification, let's say instead of train, he would like to have it as train ride. There are two ways of doing that. One is that you could come to the formula bar right here and start typing. Okay, the cursor is still blinking. It means I have not committed to the change. I can press escape to get rid of it. Okay. Second way of doing modification is that you just double click right into the cell, and you could type like so. Or you could also do for you to have the for instead of double clicking, you could also press F2, for example, and again you have the cursor blinking, so it means you could do your editing right there. Okay, now John would also like to have a date for his expense sheet, so I'm going to write over here, today is 15th of March 2022. Press enter and see the cell with the column width actually aligns itself, right? Also, a word of caution when entering dates: be mindful of your regional setting. For instance, if you're in America, the date is month, day, and year. That's the American format. International format is day, month, and year. So just be mindful, whichever region that you're in, what kind of formatting is being used for the date. One last thing I'm going to show you is, if you have to adjust the column widths, you could easily do so. If you come between these two columns, you can see the cursor has changed, and if you drag it across, you could increase the width. If you drag it back, it just reduces the width as well. So that's one way of doing that. Okay, before John actually saves his file, he would like to have a total of his expenses. And one neat little shortcut is that if you come to the home ribbon, do you see this nice, tiny little cute guy right here, auto sum? If you click, it actually does the sum for you. Press enter, voila, there you have it. Well, let me just press keyboard delete. Another shortcut is if you press Alt plus, that also is a hotkey, keyboard shortcut for having an auto sum. Okay, just thought we'll let you know. Okay guys, so that's it for today. In our next video, I'm going to show you some neat little tricks about autofill. So keep practicing, because practice makes permanent. And do stay tuned, because I am going to have more videos coming up. And until next time, much love, God bless, bye. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, stay tuned. Much love, God bless, bye.